Let me tell you my story. Since I was a kid, I actively participated in what you'd say artistic endeavors. I took painting lessons. I joined school and church choirs. And I love choir so much that I continued singing in the university, to the point I'd even claim that I spent most of my time and energy in the choir instead of classes. I thought I would keep singing even after I graduated, but 2020 happened.
As the pandemic of coronavirus
won't go on for Broadway this year. All performances are canceled.
All choir-related activities got put on hold, projects and concerts alike. I lost my space to create art. At the same time, it was also my first year working as a corporate staff. So I invested all my time and energy into building my career, while putting my artistic needs aside. And then, I stumbled upon videography. It was so much fun. I managed to capture moments and create stories using the footages from my phone. At the same time, it became a memento of my youth, of that one trip, of that one moment. After using phone for quite some time, I decided that it was time to switch to the ever so popular DJI Pocket 3. To be honest, I'm scared of the future. I have such a big dream that one day I can shoot scenes as great and beautiful as those in movies. But I know, with my current skill, there's no way to get to that point. However, as the wise people like to say, just start. The process is painful. My perfectionist side cannot handle the notion that I cannot produce the idea I have in mind. But I believe that someday I can. And so can you. Oh my, I haven't introduced myself, have I? I'm Tiffany, nice to meet you. Please support me on my way reaching my goal as I'll work with DJI Pocket 3 onwards. See you soon!